Let's learn addition. It's really cool.
Come on, follow me, follow the counting rule. Add the two numbers and find the sum. Clap your hands, let's add them one by one. Here are 3 balloons floating in the sky. Add 2 more balloons drifting way up high. Count the first 3, 1, 2, 3. Then count 2 more, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals
5.
Here are 2 kangaroos jumping fast and free. Add 1 more kangaroo hopping happily. Count the first 2, 1, 2. Then add 1 more.
3.
2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals
3.
Here are 4 police cars racing down the lane. Add 3 more cars.
Vroom, vroom. Count the first 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then count 3 more. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Here are 3 lions marching in a line. Add 3 more lions looking mighty fine. Count the first 3. 1, 2, 3. Then add 3 more. 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals
6. Here are 2 turtles walking side by side. Add 2 more turtles joining for the ride. Count the first 2. 1, 2. Then add 2 more. 3, 4.
2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals
4.
Here are 2 bright rockets blasting through the sky. Add 3 more rockets zooming way up high.
Count the first 2.
1, 2.
Then add 3 more.
3, 4, 5.
2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals
5.
Here are 3 bluebirds singing in the tree. Add 6 more bluebirds chirping joyfully.
Count the first 3.
1, 2, 3.
Then add 6 more.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
3 plus 6 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals
9.
Here are 5 little fish swimming in the sea. Add 3 more fish splashing happily.
Count the first 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then add 3 more.
6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals
8.
Here is 1 school bus rolling down the street. Add 1 more bus full of friends to meet.
Count the first 1.
1, then add 1 more. 2.
1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2.